Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm bringing you another quick and easy drink recipe. Today I'm gonna make some Jamaican carrot juice or punch. And so yeah, we're gonna get right into it. It's so refreshing and delicious and super easy to make. So I have water, I have sweetened condensed milk, I have vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and of course my carrots and some ginger. And now we're just gonna throw it in a blender and keep it moving. So I'm gonna add my carrots to my blender. If you want to use a juicer, I guess you could, but I've never used a juicer to make the carrot juice. So next I'm gonna add a bottle and a half of water, my fresh ginger, and we're gonna blend this part of it up. I believe I already have the other version of making carrot juice on my channel. I probably will link that below. It's more of a lighter version. It doesn't have any dairy in it. However, you already know condensed milk does come dairy free. They have the coconut version. So if you're vegan, you could get the coconut condensed milk. I've seen it in Walmart and all kinds of supermarkets. So yeah. So now I'm going to add my condensed milk. I'm going to add my nutmeg, my cinnamon, my vanilla. And then I'm going to mix this up really well with a whisk. Or I wouldn't suggest a spoon because you really want to whisk that cinnamon and nutmeg down in there. If you don't have a whisk, put all of this back in the blender and blend it so it can really get incorporated. So usually a lot of people, they add alcohol to this drink. I'm currently on a alcohol cleanse, so I did not add alcohol to this. I didn't add any rum, anything. So if you have it, if you're from the islands and you want to add the alcohol, you could go ahead and add it. It's no problem. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna bottle it up in my cute little bottle and then I'm gonna pour myself up a glass. And this was so delicious. I love carrot juice. I like the lighter version, I like the creamy version, and I just love the juice. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you guys later on this evening with video number 2 of the day. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye y'all.